Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Da ki hajar ngut ki patba kila sakhi hakaching Pynskhem Nongkitkam jong ka Trinamool Congress jong ka Southwest Khasiels District kabala long hakishnong mokorwan haka at South Trip nai luar arachar arpuar ki noi lam ka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya ki ba kantobi President ba Charles Pyngrope ba Dr. Mukul Sangma kila Pynskhem ya ka kanhun jong ba sound strong kaji ki ba panya so ila de kum ki khot papura jong ka Trinamool Congress hakini juga sengi la pelipat baru yang office rekam juga parti Dr. Mukul Sangma.
President Demokrat Bloc ba Sounder S. Kaji. Vice President ba Darusif Ramsin. Ba Donbor Nongsit. Ba Boxton Thongni. Iba Orderlin Carlingdor. Nantaki General Secretary Iba Remdor Shala. Joint Secretary Iba Ivor Baliar, Iba Bull Baliar, Iba Ben Johnson Lingdor. Ubeshibon.
Kalau Chairman Jawa District Council Sansnem, ngamban se bansangeno, namar bangidon kum kita kinong ikmat. Ubangai langgar bodon mentah NPP ongkwa ya kibreu ki bakum mengi ban mi syakmat ban alam yang jai bedreu nomor ongkwa tan kibreu ki bomnang bat ki paya interest bat utang ke bisnes to ula kang ganti ya nga pada ngale ayu nga pancong kam lele ladang syongru nga alam ladang kami kum nong ya tukar hak politik jongki parti ngayang hangi nak bertaki wepa, nak bertahu Pak George Omroy, nak bertahu Pak Saudar Kaji hange, ngamat sebaniang. Ni don kami ki do yalam jong jai bangeu. Tang kita ki politician ki bakrem jakor, kum kita ki clown nyumon kam. Mata ni don ki no bi khamada po assembly ki ba syukran kum ki bi rudon. Ha? Ubaong Alexander lawan tihat mahal berturut sengrudon. Ha? Ubaong I am no scientist, you are no scientist rudon. Ha? Baru tu ramba adu pada nak NPP ubaong ba ngilaju penbenci ki ba man kasan senam ban ki ba ado ki benci man kasan senam. Kum tarudon. Hei. Yang kuasa kum kita lagi nak nikmat. Depan mi dah ki berseluruh Bendera percaya ki bori banabar ki pastat benyalam ni ya ki imlang salam. Dan ni nam umroh tinggi don bot ni don Pak George. Na keluar ban nomi khmat ya lade tang bami ki briu ki basakmat ki bakum Pak George bilang do. Hani aru makmen ba iba saudara di Purwo Pindor. Karta bodon biang kacing seluruh bodon kacing start bodon experience. Baram nyam ko NPP ngem kwa UDP, ngem kwa HSPDP, ngem kwa PDF dan ngem kwa number kata we want TMC. It's only TMC to defeat the NPP government. That's for sure. Ni tep, beri tangan TMC. Kapan clear ke jisin syar, hanya pak setiap kejumi. Kaya UDP kanuma kan cross plan ke sifosi. Ka parti khala kharai jiro. Nanta kini kebe lagi parti we asli. Lara ki paiba ki ye ki sen gulom na try the congress kanuma ban ruling ni syaki laipo san senam kali ban syakri ni sen syar ni de ki sen gulom ndrek ba sosi kalom ki sen gulom na ko ke san senam syakwe ke senam na ka sautli la san senam ni sakwe lo san sa supposed senam ni sakwe henry utli kulumar ni ne ngalamut ya leke kulumar da kulumar wan mi buat ke TMC wan ki leader ki bakrao a great leader like Dr. Mukul Charles Pyngrope president former speaker ki speaker barem chief minister barem I decide my people the MC SPAC the Mokurwan Constituency Socio Economical and Political Awareness Committee who backed this program MC Swkh kubak the program. Kali ke MC Swkh ka penlong yang ini ke program. Dalam day wai ba. Dalam day. Baru gelawan ni kisnang. Baru berpensutu. Ya kata ka emran ka salang ka kai ke pateng. Baru kumnoban jin economic kemat. Kumbang ba Dr. Fabian. Day ki ka kemat ki ban tia. Nani ki nongki. Nani ki bom dar ni nongre ban kren ke jaban rio. Henry ni Nongkitkam ya ki nongmi kemat. Ki ban yalam ya ka constancy. Ban yalam ru ya ka jela hi baro ka wei. Ngado nangi begini ki rurong ba. Ngasngan bapa saudar ka jila dolong amele. Long marway. I'm so happy to be with the leaders like Dr. Mukul, Charles Pyngrope and others. I feel that I'm not alone. They will guide me as the seniors and the leaders of the state. They will guide Saundar Kaji. They will guide the constituency of Makuwan. As Dr. Mukul and late Rowalinda, they are the one who gave the district, the South Khasi was district, the 100-bedded hospital, Nagta artificial turf. It's Dr. Mukul and late Rowalinda. Nobody.
Today, at the cost of the state and the people in power are enriching themselves. They are 24/7 busy to satisfy their swelling greed at the cost of the people and the state. Today I see some of the social media advertisements. I would like to refer to the social media advertisement of the BJP itself, who is in the government. Meghalaya with Modi. Go through this advertisement of BJP, seeking the support of the people of Meghalaya. And they themselves say, what is happening? In that Meghalaya with Modi, they speak about how the state is being looted. What is the BJP doing then? If the BJP knows that the state is being looted by the party in power, why are they still in the government? Are they not responsible to take cognizance of these irregularities, which amounts to robbing the state and the people? Are they not duty bound to act as per the law? Friends, same thing with all other political parties, be it UDP, be it NPP, all the parties in government. Today, as we come closer to the election, they're very good actors. They will speak against each other. Have they not done it earlier? Have they not said that we have nothing to do with BJP? UDP, HSPDP and NPP, didn't they tell? Well, they will be telling the same thing now. But friends, when we talk about our responsibility towards our Jatpuri and towards our state, why did our forefathers fought for our statehood? Because we needed to ensure that our identity, our culture, our way of life is preserved and protected. And we are able to take advantage of this huge diversity in this great nation and contribute effectively for the growth and prosperity of this great nation. And this is our strength. The land and resources that God has been so kind to give our people. And our way of life, our faith. Today, when we talk about our faith, we should take pride in what we believe, including our faith. You have seen all our young men and other members of the civil society organization asking the government to avoid doing things which do not go in sync with our way of life, which do not go in sync with our faith. Do you want my Meghalaya, our Meghalaya, to be the den of gambling, where all kinds of vices and sins are committed? Today, all the leaders in the government do not have the element of self-respect. That's why they lie. They don't hesitate to lie. They continue to lie. I'm even ashamed to be calling myself as one of the members belonging to political class because of some of them, some of their narratives. You heard the present incumbent deputy chief minister spilling the beans that they are habitual liars. People who are honest to their responsibility towards the Jaipani will never lie. How can a father lie to a son? How can a mother lie to a daughter? Friends, that's not something which is part of our way of life. That is not our culture. I used to take pride in our tribe's name, Achik. Achik. You know, Garos are actually called Garos by others, but we call ourselves Achik. Achik means we bite the earth to keep our word. Achik, that means we cannot lie. That is our way of life. That is the way of life of our Khasis, Jaitias and Garos. I have seen when I met many leaders in the past, when we talk to them, if they have given word to someone, they say, no, brother, I have already given my word. That is the beauty of our way of life and our culture, and we are proud of it. Shall we not preserve it and protect it and take pride in that? People of Maukro, I have known you for so long time. Today, these people in Shillong, who have forgotten Maukarwat, who have forgotten the electorates, who have forgotten the people, they are saying that they don't have any worries because they can buy votes. And this is the time when questions must be asked. Account must be taken. Account for depriving our youth. Accounts for depriving the job seekers. As I have said, accounts for depriving our vulnerable group, the mothers, the single mothers, the old and the infirms, the farmers, the entrepreneurs, the businessmen, even the government employees who are victims of their nepotism, of their favoritism. I see one more conversation which is going viral in social media, where one of the NPP block vice president starts threatening one officer. You should hear that. Friends, of the people, by the people, for the people. We don't engage in nepotism and favoritism. Equality and justice for all is the mantra of sustaining the democracy. Opportunities for all and equality and justice, I repeat, is the mantra or is the only way to sustain our democracy. When people lose hope because of nepotism, because of favoritism, because of oppression, suppression of opportunities, people will lose confidence in the power of democracy, and that doesn't augur well for our future. That's why it is our incumbent responsibility, our binding responsibility to protect and preserve and sustain democracy. And therefore, we will have to fight against all those forces. So I want to appeal to all of you to join hands in collectively fighting against those forces.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.